Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speeds for your Steam games. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the main Steam interface appears, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu labeled Steam. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you can access all of Steam's configuration options and make adjustments to improve your download performance. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find various categories. Click on Downloads. This section contains all the settings related to how Steam handles game downloads, updates, and network connections. It's the central hub for optimizing your download experience. Now, inside the Downloads section, scroll down until you locate an option called Clear Download Cache. Right beside this option, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Click on it. This action removes temporary files that Steam stores during downloads, which can sometimes become corrupted or outdated and cause significant slowdowns. Clearing this cache forces Steam to refresh its download system and can often resolve speed issues immediately. You might need to wait a moment while Steam processes this action. After clearing the cache, scroll back up in the same download section and look for Download Region. Right beside it, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select the region that's nearest to your actual location. Choosing a server that's geographically closer to you can dramatically reduce latency and improve download speeds since your data doesn't have to travel as far. Different regions can also have varying levels of server load, so selecting one nearby often gives you access to less congested servers. Once you've selected your preferred region, you'll notice a button that says Restart Now. Click on it, Steam will close completely and then reopen automatically. This restart is necessary because it allows all the changes you just made to take effect properly. The cache will be fully cleared and Steam will connect to your newly selected download region. And there you have it. You've successfully optimized your Steam download settings by clearing the cache and selecting a better download region, which should significantly improve your game download speeds. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.